So why install solar? And one answer is maximize the federal government rebates available to one. This is the federal government rebate that is quoted net. Just to give you an idea, these federal rebates decline on the graph that you see every year up to the year 2030. So if, for example, you were to delay installing exactly the same system, you would lose about $7,000 in federal government rebates, or in another way, the price of the same system installed in 2 years' time, all other things being equal, would be more than $7,000 more expensive. So this is a key reason to install in the calendar year 2021. So this is not based on financial year. This resetting of the federal government rebates resets on the 31st of December every year. So one key reason to install now is to maximize the federal government rebate. It will never be this good again, ever, 2, 5, 7 years down the track. Why install now? On this graph, the electricity savings from installing a solar panel right now are superior to holding cash at bank. So to give you an idea, here you can see in terms of efficient capital allocation, any financial analyst or accountant would be comfortable advising any owner in the owner's corporation at that an effective return of 14% from reduced electricity consumption through installing solar panels would be a better investment than leaving that same cash at bank accruing 0.55% interest in the period that you might be building that up for a capital works program such as a lift. Through giving you a superior return, and you can see on the orange line there, the return in terms of electricity savings compared to the grey line, which is the cumulative interest on that cash without solar. And an accountant or a financial analyst would ask the question, well, why wouldn't you do a bigger solar system? And the limit on what you could do is a 99 kilowatt solar system, the same as the toaster down at Circular Quay, before things get really complicated and you move into a different government rebate threshold. So why would you want to invest right now? Well, basically, you're taking a portion of cash that's sitting at the bank, getting a very unattractive interest rate. And for a relatively low risk project, remember, investing in solar is something that superannuation funds are comfortable doing. So solar is an asset class which is low enough risk for superannuation funds to invest in. And this is something that the owners corporation should do from an optimal capital allocation standpoint.